Hi everyone, this is Dr. M. Janathul Firdos, Assistant Professor of Chemistry from Haji Kartarautar Audio College, Uttamapalayam, Theni District. This video is about how to use Google Meet with attendance tracker for online teaching. Google Meet is a video communication service. You can share your video, desktop, and presentations with students. It can accommodate 100 participants per meet. You can connect, collaborate securely from anywhere. First, open your mail. In the right corner of your mail window, we have Google Apps. In this, select Google Meet. The Google Meet window will open in a new tab. We have two options. One is new meeting and another is enter a code or link. The participants or students can join the meeting by entering the code or link provided by the host. When you click new meeting, it shows three options: get a meeting link to share, start an instant meeting, and schedule in Google Calendar. Now I am going to schedule a class for 3rd UG Chemistry in Google Calendar. So while clicking, this is the window to schedule Google Meet. In this, first you have to add title. So I am adding as 3rd UG Chemistry. Then you can select date and time. And if you want to schedule this class for every day for the same time, then you have to click all day. Otherwise, don't need. Then we have to copy this link by clicking this copy icon. So automatically the meeting link will be copied. So you can share it with your students or the participants by sharing it in your WhatsApp group or in your mail. If you want to add some colleagues or students as a guest, you can add in this box by typing their mail ID and click save. After scheduling, your Google Calendar will display like this. So when you click on this, your meeting details will be displayed in the pop-up message. Now we are going to see how to install attendance tracker app in Google Meet. Again, go to your mail window, click Google Apps. In that, select Sheets. Click on that. The window will be open like this. So when you click on this plus symbol, automatically a new spreadsheet will be open in a new tab. In this, go to Ads On in the menu bar. Click on Ads On. You will be getting two options: Get Ads On and Manage Ads On. Click on Get Ads On. A pop-up window will be opening like this. In this, type attendance tracker. Attendance tracker app in search apps. So automatically it will be displayed some apps which is available in the Google. So now I am going to click Classroom Attendance Tracker. After clicking on that, automatically the Classroom Attendance Tracker will be installed. By clicking on this app, it will get installed after selecting the mail ID and allowing the app to access your account. Now clicking onto this button, Start an Instant Meeting. the window will appear like this. So if you want to mute your video, then you can turn off your camera and then click join now. But you can advise your students to turn off their audio and video while attending classes to avoid distractions. So now clicking join now option. Now I have entered into this meeting, and if you want to add some other participants or students in this meeting, you can type their mail ID here or copy the meeting link and you can share it with your students or participants. So the options available in Google Meet are this is the first one, participants list. So if you click on this, the list of participants will be displayed here, and the next one will be chat box. So in this you can type your messages and you can share it with the participants in the meet, or for the students they can post their questions and teachers can answer through the chat box. If someone wants to join this meeting, the pop-up message window will be open like this. Then you have to click admit. Automatically the participants will be joined in the meeting. So a box with a tick mark is this will be the attendance tracker app. While clicking this app, you will get two icons, that is plus with a plus symbol. So near to that you will be having a tick mark. If you click on this, it will be automatically turned into 0. After clicking this tick mark, automatically the participant list will be added to this sheet. So on clicking this tick box, a spreadsheet will be open in a new tab. If you are going to present or share your presentation, then click present now icon. In that, three options will be available: your entire screen, a window, a Chrome tab. If your presentation is in your desktop, then go for a window. Then your PPT will be in this list and you can select that and you can click share. Now the presentation will be seen by every participant in the meet. While presenting, we should advise your students to pin your presentation. At last, you can click the tick mark. The spreadsheet will be open to this in the new tab. So this is the spreadsheet of the attendance. So you will be getting the date, time, and the meet ID, and how many participants and the name of the participants will be seen in the spreadsheet. And you can click file option. When you click this file option, you will be having import, make a copy or email or download in a Microsoft Excel form or PDF form in other format. So you can make a copy of it, or you can download, or you can share it as an email attachment for your future references. Thank you.